Hey there, friends. Welcome back. My name is Anna, and I'm happy you're here. Let me start with a question. Do you understand English, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out? Your mind goes blank, you feel nervous or shy, and all the words disappear. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. Many learners say, I can watch English movies, I understand YouTube videos, I can read messages and emails, but when I need to speak, I freeze. In this episode, I will tell you why this happens and how to fix it. We will talk about the real reasons behind this silent wall, and I will give you easy steps to help you break through it. Part 1. Understanding and speaking are different. Understanding is passive and speaking is active. When you watch a movie or listen to a podcast, you don't need to do anything. You just listen, and your brain is receiving English. But when you speak, it's different. Now your brain needs to find the words, build the sentence, remember grammar, say the sounds correctly, and think about pronunciation. All this fast in real time. No wonder it's hard. Many learners read English, listen to English, and write in English, but they don't use their voice. Speaking is like dancing, cooking, or driving. You can't just read about it, you must do it. Now, let me show you how to start using your voice every day, even if you are shy, busy, or don't live in an English-speaking country. Part 2. Practical tips for breaking the silence. Tip 1. Speak first, grammar later. Many learners wait, saying, I will speak when I know more grammar. I want to speak perfectly. I don't want to make mistakes. But here is the truth. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English. You just need to be understood. Communication is not about perfection. It's about connection. Think about little children who say things like, me want juice. It is not perfect, but people understand. Fluent with mistakes is better than silent with grammar. Use simple words and short sentences. Your grammar will improve, but only after you start speaking. So please, don't wait. Tip 2. Learn chunks, not words. Don't study one word at a time. Instead, learn chunks, small phrases people use all the time. For example, instead of just the word busy, learn phrases like, I'm a bit busy right now, or I've got a lot on my plate. These chunks help you sound natural, fast, and fluent. They also help your brain think in English instead of building a sentence from zero. Every time you hear a useful phrase, write down the whole chunk, such as, can I ask you something? Or, that sounds great. Repeat it out loud, practicing it like a song lyric. Tip 3, talk to yourself. Yes, really. This tip may sound silly, but it is super powerful. You do not need a partner, a teacher, or a native speaker. You just need you. Talk to yourself when you are walking, cooking, cleaning, or driving. No one is watching or judging. You can say things like, I'm making tea, or I forgot my keys. You can even play both parts of a conversation, such as, Hi, how can I help you? And, Yes, I'd like a coffee, please. This trains your brain to think in English, and you stop translating and start reacting. Tip 4, use AI to practice speaking. AI can be your language partner. If you use a tool like ChatGPT, you can start a conversation. For example, Hi, I'm learning English. Can we have a short conversation? Please correct my English if I make a mistake. The AI is friendly and does not judge, and it responds instantly, day or night. You can ask it to, please speak slowly, or can you explain this phrase? The best part is that you can repeat the conversation as many times as you like. AI never gets tired and never laughs at your accent. Tip 5, try the 4-3-2 technique. This is one of my favorite methods because it is simple but powerful. It helps you speak faster and more fluently. Step 1, choose a small topic, a memory, or a story. Talk about this topic for 4 minutes. Speak slowly, use details, and do not worry about mistakes. Step 2, take a short break, 1 minute. Speak again about the same story, but only for 3 minutes. You will be a little faster now. Step 3, take another short break. Speak again, but only for 2 minutes. Your brain is ready. You will speak with more confidence, use better sentences, and feel faster, smoother, stronger. Record yourself on your phone to notice the difference between the 4-minute version and the final 2-minute version. Tip 6, play with sentences. Take just one sentence and try saying it in many different ways. This helps you think faster and become flexible with English. Example, start with, I went to the library. Add detail. I went to the library to study for my math test. Change the emotion. I went to the library and saw an old friend. Change the grammar. I'm going to the library now. Or, my friend went to the library. You start with one sentence, but now you have 10 different ways to say it. You stop memorizing and start creating. And that is what fluency really is. Part 3, building confidence and consistency. We have covered a lot, but let's talk about the emotional side of speaking and how to build real, deep confidence. Tip 7, know your why. Why do you want to speak English? Think deeply. Is it for travel, a better job, or to understand movies without subtitles? Write your reason down and look at it every day. Motivation comes from inside. When learning gets hard, your why keeps you going. Tip 8, create a 5-minute daily speaking habit. You don't need hours of study. You need consistency. Start small, just 5 minutes a day. A simple routine is 1 minute talking to yourself, 2 minutes practicing a short dialogue using AI or a textbook, and 2 minutes repeating a useful chunk. Don't skip 2 days in a row. Remember, tiny habits create big changes. Tip 9, build your English zone. If you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can create your own English zone right where you are. Change your phone and apps to English. Fill your environment with English by putting sticky notes with labels like table, door, or good morning around your home. Use English for fun. Watch your favorite Netflix show with English subtitles, or follow English YouTubers about topics you love. When English is connected to joy, you want to keep going. Tip 10, celebrate small wins. Don't wait until you're fluent to feel proud. Celebrate the small victories. You learned a new chunk? Celebrate it. You made a mistake but didn't give up? Incredible! Give yourself encouragement because your mindset matters. Tip 11, don't fight the fear, use it. It's okay to feel nervous. Nervous means you care and that growth is coming. Instead of thinking, I'm scared, try saying, I feel nervous and that's okay. I'll speak anyway. Bravery comes during the speaking. Tip 12, mistakes are not the enemy. Let's be honest, most learners are afraid of making mistakes, but everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. If someone understands you, your English is working. Mistakes are proof that you are using English, and every mistake is a step toward improvement. Tip 13, find your speaking style. You don't need to copy someone else or sound like a movie star. Find your own rhythm. If you speak slowly, that's fine. Confidence does not come from sounding perfect. It comes from being authentic. Tip 14, build confidence like a muscle. Confidence is not magic. It is built step by step by repeating small actions and being consistent. A simple plan is to speak 5 minutes a day, celebrate your effort, and track your progress. You can record a short voice message on Monday and compare it to the next Monday to hear the growth. Confidence is not, I never make mistakes. Confidence is, even when I make mistakes, I keep going. Conclusion: you are doing great. You are doing something brave and powerful. You are becoming the kind of person who uses English, not just studies it. You have learned the difference between understanding and speaking, and you have learned tips, tools, and techniques. Be kind to yourself and be proud of your effort. You are doing great.